I asked a business owner to show me his ignored folder on Instagram. 90% of the messages looked exactly like yours. They were polite, they were well-meaning, and they were sent by students who genuinely wanted to work. But they were deleted in less than 3 seconds. See, most students think they're being ignored because they don't have enough experience or a fancy portfolio. But the truth is much simpler. You're being ignored because your message triggers a spam filter in the business owner's brain before they even finish the first sentence. Today, we're going to perform an autopsy on those dead messages. I'm going to show you the side-by-side teardown of why bad student messages get ghosted and exactly how to rewrite them into problem-based messages that get a reply, even if you're starting from zero. By the end of these 13 minutes, you'll never look at your outbox the same way again. Picture this. You finally worked up the courage to send a DM to that local brand you love. You spent 20 minutes typing it out, making sure your grammar was perfect, and trying to sound professional. You hit send, you see the little seen notification at the bottom of the screen, and then nothing. An hour passes. A day passes. You check your phone every 10 minutes hoping for a "hey, let's talk," but all you see is silence. You start to feel that cringe feeling in your stomach. You feel like a telemarketer. You tell yourself, "I knew it, I'm just a student, why would they ever pay me?" Look, I get it. You're not failing because you're not talented. You're failing because you were handed the wrong map for how a business owner's brain actually works. You're treating the inbox like a job application. A business owner treats it like a battlefield of distractions. If you want to win, you have to stop asking for a job and start fixing a leak. Here's the part most students miss. A business owner's inbox is a graveyard of me-first messages. I am a student. I am looking for experience. I would love to work with you. Do you see the pattern? Every sentence starts with I. To a business owner who is worried about payroll, inventory, and taxes, a message starting with I sounds like another person asking for something. It sounds like a cost, not an investment. You are accidentally signaling that you are going to take their time to teach you. Their 3-second spam filter is designed to protect their time. If your message doesn't prove within the first 5 words that you are there to give time back to them, you are already deleted. We need to move from the beggar's script to the surgeon's script. A surgeon doesn't walk into a room and say, "Hi, I'm a student who wants to practice surgery. Can I try on you?" They walk in, point at the x-ray, and say, "You have a break right here. I can fix it." So here is the shift. Stop asking, "How do I get them to notice me?" and start asking, "What is the leak in their business that is costing them money right now?" This is the inbox hierarchy. At the very bottom of the hierarchy is the beggar, someone asking for a chance. In the middle is the generalist, someone offering marketing or content without a specific goal. But at the top is the specialist, the person who notices one specific ugly problem and offers one specific clean solution. When you send a problem-based message, you aren't a student anymore. You are a consultant. You are an asset. And the best part? You don't need a 4-year degree to notice that a restaurant's menu isn't readable on a phone, or that a gym hasn't posted a reel in 3 weeks. You just need to pay attention differently than everyone else. Let me tell you about Alex. Alex was a sophomore, a decent video editor, and he was sending 20 DMs a day. His script was professional. He said, "Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a student editor, and I'd love to help you grow your brand. Check out my portfolio here." He sent 100 of those. He got 0 replies. He was ready to quit until we looked at his teardown. We realized his message was all about Alex. We changed his approach. He found a local real estate agent who was posting long, boring 5-minute house tours that nobody was watching. Alex didn't ask for a job. He took one of those videos, edited it into a 30-second high-energy reel with captions and music, and sent it to the agent with this message. "Hey, I saw your tour of the Oak Street house. I noticed your reels are getting way more engagement than long videos, so I made this 30-second version for you to use for free. If you like the style, I have a few more ideas." The agent replied in 6 minutes. Why? Because Alex didn't ask the agent to do work. Alex did the work first. And listen, if this kind of honest, no-hype money talk helps you see your own spam filter, this channel is built for you. We help students build real income layers from zero. It might be worth subscribing so you don't miss the next teardown. Let's get into the literal side-by-side teardown. This is the roadmap. Message type 1, the me first disaster, bad. The text, hi, I'm a student looking for an internship or freelance work. I'm really passionate about your brand and would love to gain some experience. Here is my resume. Why it fails? It's a burden. The owner has to read a resume, think of a task, and train you. Verdict, deleted. Message type 2, the vague helper, better but still fails. The text, hey, I'm a social media manager. I can help you grow your Instagram and get more followers. Let me know if you're interested. Why it fails? Grow Instagram is vague. Every bot in the world sends this. It doesn't prove you've actually looked at their page. Verdict? Ignored. Message type 3, the problem surgeon, the winner. Hey, name, I was just looking at your latest post. I noticed the audio is slightly out of sync, which usually kills the reach on Reels. I actually resynced it for you and added a clearer hook. Here's the file if you want to repost it. No charge. Just wanted to help because I love the shop. Why it works? It's specific. It's helpful. It proves your skill in the first 5 seconds. You didn't ask for a chance. You provided a result. Verdict? Reply received. This is the secret. You find the invisible problem. It could be a broken link, a bad thumbnail, a missing call to action, or a slow response time on their comments. When you point it out politely and offer a fix, you bypass the spam filter because you aren't a salesman, you're a savior. Comment the word teardown if you've realized your past messages were accidentally me first. No judgment, we all start there. Before you go out and start sending these, watch out for these 3 traps. Trap 1, the fake guru tone. Don't tell a business owner their business is failing or that you're an expert if you aren't. Be a helpful student, not a condescending critic. Trap 2, the copy-paste. If you send the same problem to 10 people and that problem isn't actually there, you look like a bot. You have to actually look at the business. Trap 3, giving up too soon. Alex didn't get a yes on his first surgeon message. He got it on his 4th. The difference is, the people who didn't hire him still thanked him. They didn't ghost him. That's the difference between building a network and building a deleted folder. Here's the final takeaway. You are not a student begging for a job. You're a problem solver who happens to be a student. Your value isn't found in your years of experience, it's found in your ability to see what a busy business owner is missing. The seen notification isn't a rejection of you, it's a rejection of a message that didn't provide value. So tonight, go find one local business, find one small leak, and send one surgeon message. Don't worry about the yes yet, just worry about the value. This is educational, not financial advice. Your results depend on your effort and the market. But the map has changed. You have the right one now. Subscribe if this gave you the clarity you needed to hit send. I'll see you in the next one.